What's up, guys? We're at the Lien Park, one of the early kings. This statue is commemorating the dude that established Hanoi, basically. Thăng Long, it used to be called back in the day. I think 1010, the year 1010, moved the capital from the current Ninh Bình area to Hanoi. Basically the founder of Hanoi. And yeah, we're here to meet Lien, the single mum from the park. Got a donation from Jay Cooper a while back for $457.60, and I'm gonna split that between Lien, the single mum, and one of his other chosen candidates. And I bought her a phone because, as you guys saw, her phone was cracked to the max. So I got a real cheap budget phone, this thing here, the Redmi 9A, because I want to support the Chinese brands. Really don't want to support the Samsung brand at all. They opened it to just check out that everything was fine. I think they only got a few left because these sell really quickly because they're excellent value for money. Had to really run around to find the budget Xiaomi phones. I don't like the operating system, but if you can get past that, excellent value for money in terms of configuration. So we paid 2.09 mil, as you guys can see, 2,090,000. And he opened up the box just to, you know, for me to check out that it was all okay. As you can see, it's a pretty nice feel, you know, for the budget phones. You know, you could only dream of this kind of specs in the past, man. 6.53 inch HD, 5,000 milliamp high capacity battery. The chipset's nothing to write home about, but you can't ask for more, you know, for 2 million Vietnamese dong, 2,090,000 Vietnamese dong, 13 meg rear camera, 5 megapixel selfie camera. Apparently the cameras aren't, the video quality from the cameras aren't great. You're not going to be expecting the world, you know, from this kind of price range, but for this price, man, you can't beat the value. Sorry, how do I put this back in? Yeah, so because she had to borrow someone's phone to call me, I thought, you know, we'll get her a cheap budget phone. I didn't want to get, I was going to get a more expensive one, but then I thought they'd probably rather just have the cash change, you know, from a more expensive phone, the difference in cash. So I'm going to give her this phone and 1.8 mil in cash, which is what we got after changing up Jay Cooper's donation.
2,000 years later.
But Jay Cooper sent me a donation, as I said before, and I bought her a phone. Cái Redmi 9A. Mình có thể mở ra xem như thế nào. Họ mở rồi để xem là nó chưa bị trầy xước ấy. Alright, so it's the Redmi 9A. Let's see, she turned it on. One of the cheapest of the Xiaomi lineup, but it's had good reviews. So yeah, I mean, Lien will tell us if it's any good. Thì có thể Lien có thể dùng á, xong xem nó như thế nào. Thấy cái điện thoại hiện tại là đang tàn nát ấy. Yeah, this is the current phone. Cái điện thoại hiện tại như là không dùng được đó, do cái kính vỡ. The current phone's Hawaii, so I'm stuck with the Chinese branding. hàng này nó cũng không có cao cấp đó, nhưng mà để thấy cái điện thoại hiện tại là đang dùng cái điện thoại như vậy thì mình dùng cái này tạm thời thấy cũng hay nè. Hình như nó có cái nó có cái thông gì không?
Đây có.
Yeah, they got a SIM removal thing. So Lien will try this one. Chứ Ly thì đang dùng điện thoại nào?
Huawei điện thoại cũng cảm ứng ạ.
Ly đang dùng điện thoại nào? Cũng dùng cái này à?
Cháu cũng dùng điện thoại cảm ứng rồi. Vâng, cũng như thế này. Sau đó cháu còn xem mẫu các thứ nữa này ạ.
So we got 1.8 million left from Jay Cooper's donation to Lien. Cái phần tiền còn lại thì anh gửi cho em luôn để mua sữa, chi phí hàng ngày để nuôi con. Thì 1,8 triệu. So yeah, 1.8 million from Jay Cooper, từ chú Jay. Jay Cooper.
Cháu cảm ơn chú Say đã mua điện thoại cho cháu.
Hy vọng nó xài nó. So let's hope the phone is, you know, in good working order and is sufficient for her needs. Damn, we've got a couple of geese just roaming around this park. One of my favorite creatures just took a dump, man. But I wonder if they're just free range. Not as cool looking as the white ones, but they're pretty intelligent. We're at this lake, man. It's probably quite dirty because there's a lot of people, you know, there's a lot of human activity along the edges. See how close we can get to the geese. It's a male and a female. Doesn't seem that territorial. So usually they're quite aggressive, I think. See where he goes. Going to the water's edge. Yeah, I prefer the white geese with the yellow bills. These guys are pretty cool as well. Pretty big birds. Drinking from the water's edge in the lake.